All right, we're screwing out our holes in this. I wanted to show something. This is what our cable slides into. That bottom hole, and then we got the screw hole for the top. This is my original measurement, so I went 1/4 inch above. So when the cable gets screwed in, it's right at our line there, which lines up with our through holes there. Bam. So, always if you're on a level surface, or even on the stairs, you want to go 1/4 inch above your regular measurement, so your cable will be right here with the bottom. And then down here, you want to go above. So I'll show all this once we start putting in cable.